Voiding a check. We're going to walk through the process of voiding a check made to a supplier. To begin with, go to the Payables workspace and open the Checks and Payments form. Use the filters and the search bar to find the check to void. In this example, we will void this check. Let's click its link in the reference number column. On the check form, click Void. Notice that the system has created a new document indicated as voided payment in the type field, and the status is on hold. Also notice that the payment amount field becomes negative. Now let's click the Remove Hold button. Then release the voided check. A pop-up message will show confirming that the operation has been completed. And that's it. Going back to the checks and payments, you will see that the status of the check is now voided.